First, adjust the controllers. You have a left and right controller for each hand. Secure the wrist straps. Once these are secure, you can feel free to let the controllers dangle. Tap the trigger buttons on either hand to select items. Use the toggle button to scroll. Beneath the toggle on the right controller is the Oculus button. Tap and hold this button to reorient your view. Tap once and release to quit applications. There are two buttons on the headset. The power button is to the right of the headset. Press and hold this button to power the headset on and off. A silicone mask helps protect the headset's fabric and can also be cleaned easily. A spacer can be used to give you a bit of extra room for glasses to fit comfortably. If the lenses are blurry, don't use anything but a lens cloth to wipe them. To adjust the headset, tighten or loosen the side straps. The top strap can also be adjusted. Put on the headset. Remember, you can take off the headset at any time. You are welcome to use a chair. The Guardian ensures that you do not run into any obstacles. Set the floor level by tapping your controller to the ground. Choose either room scale or stationary boundary. Room scale gives you a bit of extra space and can be created by holding down the trigger and creating a circle around yourself. Once you finish setting your Guardian, the Oculus environment will load. Select the waffle on the right side of the main menu to view the applications installed on the device. Use the toggle to scroll through your options. When you're ready to quit an application, tap the Oculus button and select Quit. If you would like to reset your Guardian, select the Quick Settings area on the left side of the main menu. Select Guardian and make your adjustments. You're now ready to get started. Thanks for watching.